The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation here in Dili, in partnership with JICA, has officially opened a workshop on capacity development on ASEAN practices at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation. The workshop aims to strengthen institutional capacity and deepen understanding of ASEAN mechanisms and practices as Timor-Leste prepares for its chairmanship in the years coming. The program features distinguished resource persons, including His Excellency Chun Sovanarith, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Royal Embassy of Cambodia here in Timor-Leste, and Mr. Ban Sokvibol, Deputy Director General of the General Department of ASEAN at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of the Kingdom of Cambodia.
The purpose of the workshop today is to strengthen capacity building for Timorese officials from all three pillars of ASEAN. We have strong confidence that the workshop is more than diplomacy. It is a platform where everyone can share their ideas, inputs and comments as well. Certainly we Cambodia shared our experiences, best practice and success, also challenge to be addressed in preparation for Timor-Leste's ASEAN chairmanship in a future time.
Organized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation with the support of JICA, the workshop provides an opportunity for participants to learn from regional experiences and best practices in ASEAN engagement.